Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Like, I know I've been up for a while, but shit happens. So make sure you like, share, turn on the notification bell so you're notified the next time I post another video. Let's just get straight into the video, guys. Let's just get straight into the video. So guys, I'm going to be using this pencil to do my brows. My brows are so rough, but I didn't want to go through the stress of shaving it and all that. So I'm going to be using this pencil in the shade 4, I think, yes. So right now I'm going ahead to brush my eyebrows using the spoolie. So guys, whenever you're doing your brows, make sure that the tip of the pencil, if you're using a pencil, make sure the pencil is as sharp as possible. Then you go in to draw. So what I'm doing right now is, your eyebrow is supposed to be like at the edge of your eye, so it's not supposed to go further than your eyes, if you know what I mean. So I'm going ahead right now to fill it in, like the way I'm even holding the pencil. Like, you guys can see how careful I am. Like, I'm not holding it so tight, I'm just holding it like almost free. So I'm gonna do the same to the other eyebrow. So right now I'm going to use the same concealer I used in cleaning out my eyebrow. I'm going to use the same concealer as an eyeshadow base for my eyeshadow. So right now I'm using this flat brush to place the eyeshadow in my eyes. So now I'm going to use this foundation by Milani Cosmetics. This is a conceal plus foundation. So like this foundation is full coverage and I love it so much. Like I love the way it came out after blending it, you know, with this brush. So I love the way it came out. So I'm gonna use this small brush to blend it all over my face. So this is the finished look after blending in all the foundation. So I'm going ahead with this concealer by Elegant Cosmetics. This is the shade creamy beige. So I'm going to use this for my under eyes, my nose, and you know the drill, guys. Guys, I'm going to be using this Kiss Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana to set my under eyes. So right now I'm going to use the same setting powder to set the under part of my chin, and I'm also going to pat it all over my face so that this makeup goes nowhere. So I'm going to use this contour powder in the shade Brown by Ushas Cosmetics. I'm going to use it to contour the side of my chin and also to contour my nose. So guys, I went in again using the setting powder to correct the contour I did on my nose to get that perfect shape. So I went again with the same eyeshadow for my under eye. So I just used the same brush I used for the upper part of my eye. So I'm just going to brush it and smoke it out a little bit. So that is what I'm doing right now. So I'm using the shimmery color from the same Morphe brushes eyeshadow palettes to highlight the top of my chin, my nose, the inner corners of my eye. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the arc brow bone or whatever they call it. Yeah, I'm gonna use it to highlight the arc of my brow. Yeah. Then I'm going to line my eyes using this black liquid eyeliner. I'm trying to be as careful as possible because since I'm not going to be wearing lashes for this look, so I just want to go easy on it. Then I'm going to use this setting spray by Kiss Beauty to set my makeup. Yeah, so after setting my makeup, I like setting my makeup before I go in with the mascara to avoid story that touch the heart, because most times when you set your face after the mascara, if the mascara is not dry enough, it's going to mess your eye makeup. So I'm going to use this mascara to bring life back to my lashes, as you can see, guys. So I'm going ahead with this Lippie by Beyond Beauty in red for my lips. So guys, I've come to the end of this makeup tutorial. Hope you learned a thing or two from me today. Please do make sure to subscribe, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. Support a girl, subscribe, like. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.